Welcome back to Dan's Fender Benders. Woo! So in this video we're going to have a look at swirl dipping, or what's also known as hydro dipping. People dip mugs, plates, their fingernails, and in my case a guitar. And this is my first attempt at it, and of course I decided to record it and upload it because I like to show real stuff and not perfection, even though I think it kind of came out pretty cool. I'll let you be the judge. I also got my partner to give me a hand, and God love her, because I'm a very frustrating person to be around when I'm trying to attempt something for the first time and there's a bit of pressure on me, so she gave me a solid. Check out the video, tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'd love it if you subscribe and like the video. Cheers, peace.
We need to get these floaties out.
Oh, how did they get in there?
There's a hair there.
Oh,
And another hair just there.
hey.
And another hair just there.
Where are they coming from?
So as you can see, it's very important to clean that container. That's why I was having a little domestic moment there and wanted to leave it in to show its importance. So we're using the Magic Marble inks, and from some of the videos I've seen prior, most people lay down a dominant black first and then fill in some brighter colors. So I was going for that, and I wanted a bit of a universe look to this base. That was the only real vision I had to this hydro dip. And as you can see, we have to push the paint through a little bit, and I was just using the back of a paintbrush, and it kind of filmed the skin there. Yep, I'm going straight in. Why I went back first, I'm not quite sure. In the name of Jim Morrison, I'm a backdoor man. I don't know, that's a bit distasteful. But anyway, I wasn't that impressed with how it turned out initially, so we decided to do the headstock, and my partner had a go, and she was far better at getting that angle in, so hers was, yeah, just done. So we decided to double dip and do a round two, giving it a little bit more depth and a little bit more color to that white horn that had missed the paint from the initial dip. Now, I haven't seen anyone else do a double dip before, so this was quite interesting to try out. And hey, I was just going to sand it off if it didn't work. So enjoy the second round here. And here we go. My angle is far better this time. As you can see, that container could have been a lot bigger. And they say not to double dip. I argue otherwise. And there's some close-up pictures to show you the results as it's still drying. I'll do an update picture later, and peace. Thanks for watching.